Okay, practice problem 2. We have an x equals line, so this line will be vertical. All my x's are -2, so I come to -2 and I draw in my line of reflection. And I'm going to flip everything over this line. So I'm going to label it x equals 2. Okay, so u is 1, 2, 3 spaces away. So I go the other direction. 1, 2, 3, u prime. T is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go 5 the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V is on the right, so it's going the opposite direction of the other 2 points. So it's only 1 space away, so it goes 1 space the other direction. So V prime is here. When I connect these, it's going to overlap at the bottom just a little bit. Right there. So this is what the reflected image looks like. Now let's get our ordered pairs, make sure we did this correctly. U or T started at -7, -3. I reflected over X. No, I reflected over X equals -2, which is a vertical line. So I'm going right to left. So my X's are changing. My Y's should all be the same. T prime is at 3, -3. Okay. U was at -5, 6 and reflected to 1, 6. X is changed. V was at -1, -9 and ended up at -3, -9. So I reflected over X equals -2. That is a vertical line, so that means I'm moving right to left, which means X values change. A couple more practice problems.